Hello everybody and welcome to another pomade review. So the pomade that we're going to be looking at today is Lucky Frank's. So this right here is actually not an independent brewer who made it according to their own label. This is actually a pumpkin pomade. So Lucky Frank's is a different brand where they do other various types of men's hairstyling, old school style. And Pumpkin, they outsourced their pomade to Pumpkin. So Hector Tapia from Pumpkin Pomades was the one who formulated and brewed this pomade, although it's under the Lucky Frank's brand. So this pomade, it was going for a vintage, classic style pomade with more of a modern-ish kind of twist. Think of it like Hartmann's that I reviewed last time, but this one is petro-based. So more modern style with a classic twist like Hartmann's before, but this one is Lucky Frank's and it's petro-based. So the product on the inside's got a real natural color. And the scent on here, it's really good. They tried to capture a more classic vintage style scent. And up to my own interpretation, I think of it like a lavender and honeysuckle kind of floral, really sweet cologne-y type scent. At least that's what I get out of it. So it smells great and I really, really like the scent. And the pomade, it's a medium hold and performs just much like a medium hold and very standard in the way it performs. But anyway, scoops out super easily, really nothing to it. And breakdown is a breeze. It's really, really simple and easy. This product all around was just easy, simple, and average in what I thought and how it performed. And much of the way that it styles and performs and does everything it's supposed to do is very standard and good, and it does a good job. So the application as well, really nothing to it. No tug and pull, no pressure, no real nasty amount of grip. It just, everything breaks down and goes really well, which when I used this stuff, it reminded me a lot of, I could tell it was one of Hector's pomades because it does style similar to the other Pumpkin pomades. And it has definitely Hector Tapia's fingerprints all over it. So if you like Pumpkin pomades, this is another one that you'd like. He does make some great products, and they're simple and easy, and usually sticks to petro-based. So some good quality petro-based pomades come from Pumpkin. So yeah, so there you go. Goes in all really nicely. Slicking it back, much of the same, that it feels really simple and easy, no real barriers, no real big tug and pull, and it's really smooth. For the amount of medium hold you get, it's pretty smooth, the way that this stuff works. Alright, so I'm getting into styling the contour into my hair, and as you can see, it's got about a medium shine to it, and I say it's a little bit higher, slightly a little bit higher than a standard medium shine, and I really like that. I think it captures more of the old school style of look, and I think it looks good, and I like the amount of shine that it gives you. Now, I can say that this stuff was claiming to be a classic 1920s style pomade, and I think there are aspects of it that do a good job of claiming it as 1920s style, and of course it is paying an homage, but I think that it's not really as much of a 1920 style pomade, because if I was thinking 1920 style, I'd think something like really greasy or something like that, or something that's overly shiny. But this stuff, it's more modern in its approach, that you can tell it's not as overly greasy, and it feels just standard and alright in the hair. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Looks about done. Alright, so yeah, final verdict on Lucky Frank's. It is definitely a pumpkin pomade. You can feel like it really does, it really stands up to the rest of the brand. It's got about a slightly above medium shine. The hold is nice, solid medium. And this stuff overall is just solid. It's good, it's reliable, but like I've said before in a lot of my pomade reviews where I say they're not necessarily groundbreaking, this is one where it's not necessarily groundbreaking. It's not really making anything new happen. It's just standard and good. And Is that a bad thing? No, not really. It's just good, reliable, standard, average, but if you're looking for something standard and reliable, this one will be good. So good medium hold, good medium shine. It restyles great. I enjoyed the Restyle Ability, and the buildup isn't gross or nasty. The buildup is really good. So good quality product, nothing groundbreaking, but really reliable and really good. So there you have it. Lucky Franks. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. And just to let you know, if you would like, there is a coupon code for 10% off on a purchase of Lucky Franks and the Lucky Franks website. And that is the coupon code CameronA, and you will be able to get 10% off on your purchase. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.